Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video is about how to fix HP Hotkey support blank pop-up error in Windows 11 and 10.
Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for updates. Click on the Windows icon, search for Services. Open it. Find HP Hotkey UWP service. Right-click to open Properties. Set the startup type to Disabled. Click Apply and OK. Open Window, and then restart your laptop. Copy the download link from the description and paste here, then press Enter. Here downloading starts. Open it. Here click Next. Accept the license and click Next, and again click Next. Wait until it's download. Here click the Finish button. Open Window, and then restart your laptop. Again. Guys, if you find this video helpful, please like to encourage us and subscribe to our channel and leave comment and share it with others so they can benefit too.